Hey girl. So this is called Suya in Barking, and Sophia drive us here. Hey girl. So we're gonna have she's gonna have, what are you gonna have, Sophia? Chicken jollof rice with the beef soya, which is £8, and then I'm gonna have the jollof rice with chicken soya, and we're gonna taste each other's food. Yeah, sweet potato. I haven't been in there yet, no. Well, you can go upstairs. Oh, it's closed. Why did she say it's closed? You are up here. That's what I like up here. This is the view from actually sitting on top, but it's like really hot up here. I actually forgot to video the food when we got in. Like, we got a mixed, what's this, Sophia? Mixed chicken suya. So this is a mixed chicken and beef suya, and they give you this is naan bread, isn't it? Give you naan bread. So this little strip here is naan bread. I can't believe I forgot to video. This is the aftermath of taking out almost all the food, but it tastes so good. Like, the chicken tastes a little bit like jerk chicken. I don't really like the beef that much, but the beef is kind of nice, but I prefer chicken. So if you do go, I'll recommend the chicken. When we went there, they ran out of jollof rice, so we went there about 6:45. So if you're gonna go, don't go that late, because the stuff does run out. So I wouldn't suggest going really late. This was £10 for mixed meat. £10, so you could get £10 worth mixed or £15 worth mixed meat. So that was alright. Me and my friend actually shared this, and it's tasted so good.